Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So there is last week's spread in my Hemlock and Oak where the focus or the theme of the spread was using this Mountains and Meadows washi from the Coffee Monsters Co. Wow. All right, and this week I am going to be using, where are they? These butterflies, as well as this alcohol ink from According to Allie. And like I said in my previous video, I am now part of her rep team. So if you use code Karina15, you'll get 15% off your order. So I'll be part of her rep team until I believe it's the middle or end of December. All right, let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is actually put washi all across the top. And I'm this is really going outside of my comfort zone in terms of this washi, because I mean, look at how bold, and I mean, for a lot of people this is really neutral, but for me this is like a little bit outside of my comfort zone. So it's not gonna be perfectly straight. I mean, nothing in my spread ever is. I'm just putting that down. And I'm wondering if I should even use a washi or if I should just do something else. But I'm like, no, Karina, just go with what you know. Okay, then do the same on this side. And I found this washi lying around in a tube in some of my drawers, actually. Well, in some of just my storage down below already. Ooh. That is interesting, especially for me. Okay, so then I'm gonna take some of these butterflies. I bought 2 sheets of the butterflies and the alcohol inks because I knew I would be using them. So, firstly, I'm all over the place and I feel like I'm gonna step on my dog underneath. Poor thing. So it is August 23rd, week of. And then what I'm gonna do is take one of these alcohol inks, and I'm actually gonna cut this in half. Sticker, you can cut it in half and place it I'm actually gonna place it closer to the edge of the page. Oh, I love it. And immediately put a blue butterfly down. Oh my gosh, I love the shadow of that. That was such a great detail that Allie added, is the shadow. So I'm so glad she did that. So then I'm going to add the other one down here to the bottom. And I love this because I love doing this to stickers because I am a big believer in making the sticker work for you and using as much of the sticker as possible. Oh, love it. So then I'm going to go ahead and draw the sidebar pretty much like what I do there. Did I leave myself enough room? Of course I did. All right, so I'm going to go and speed through that section. So that part is finished. Now I feel like I need to, my voice went weird there. I feel like I could add a couple more butterflies around just for decoration. And I don't normally do this, but I figure why not, because they're so pretty. Ooh, I put this down yesterday and I don't want to rip it. Ooh. I'm gonna place this here, because I am actually working that day. Yeah, I am working that day, so just move it over as much as possible to not interfere with the fact that I do have to work that day. So maybe I'll just do that now. Put my work sticker down on Saturday because I do have to, because I have the Monday off in lieu. 7 to 3. Okay. Then I can put this down. Oh yes. Oh, I love that. And then I figure maybe one more. I feel like I could put this down in the middle of the spread somewhere and put stuff over it. Like a box of some sort. You know what I mean? Like if I put one here. Okay, I'm gonna cut this. I know some people are like, oh my god, you're cutting a sticker. It's fine. Cutting a sticker is not a big deal. It's just a big deal if I can't put it down straight. And actually even then that's not true. Okay. And yeah, if there's stuff that has to go over this, then I will use a box. Don't know why that's kept me from doing that before. Ooh. And then this last one, I feel like I want this evenly placed everywhere. I kind of don't, although if I do like, because I know I want 2 on this page. Let's go to the other. Ah, yes, there's a smaller one. So then I can put this like so. And then maybe this in this corner here. And then I can always put boxes over it for my meal planning. So I'm not too worried. But there is an orange butterfly that has to go down somewhere. And I love being able to finish a sheet. So, I'm hesitant putting it down here because I know that I have like filming and stuff, and I don't really want to cover that. Now if I put that here, there goes all of like my space for, because I know I'll have to put a box over that eventually, and I don't really want to do that. Again, if I don't really track my food on there, I'm just going to place this here. Just put it down. Sometimes you can just think about it too much and then not put a sticker down at all. Okay, so I'm going to go then and fill out my day today. So I'm going to start by putting down the work stickers for each of the days. I didn't put one down for Monday because I'm actually off that day in lieu for Saturday. And I draw down all the lines. Now these work stickers are my scrap stickers from my shop. I'll include a link down below. And I'm realizing now you can't see what I'm doing in the bottom half. I use this Coffee Monsters emoji to write down my to-do list for Monday. And then I'm searching for a garbage sticker to take out the garbage for Tuesday, and then mop floors on Wednesday. And then I also have an appointment on Wednesday evening for a massage, so I take this flag sticker from the teacher florals, and I'm trying to figure out what's the best one to combine it with, but I use this house with a heart for my massage. It's not really a massage sticker, but it works out anyway. So then I go ahead and put down the emojis for work. I use the day off one from Be Do & Co. on Monday, and then Coffee Monsters Co. as well as Paper Bits Co. and Let's Plan It. I love them all. And then I take a box from the teacher florals and white out the due date there and just write in that it's Robin's psychologist appointment. And then Thursday evening picking up groceries, and then Friday afternoon I will be doing some filming. Friday afternoon is always my filming time. And then moving to the weekend, I have a virtual happy hour with my team on Saturday night. And then Sunday is always our cleaning day. So I take this Coffee Monsters Ninja cleaning sticker and write down my huge list of to-dos. And then I'm going to go down and add the laundry sticker, of course, but then also down at the bottom, I will go ahead and write down the steps and calories as well as breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then I decide to add a little bit more washi because why not? Guys, there's my overall finished spread. I decided not to do a line across. I didn't want to take away from any of the butterflies, and I think even if I put a line across, I don't know, I just want to keep it the way it is, and now I'm finding washi everywhere. But yeah, I really do like it. I love the butterflies. I love that I've incorporated more of the design into the middle of the spread versus around. But I'm excited to see what this is going to look like once it's completely filled out. Again, I didn't put anything in here just because that is my day off. I don't have any plans on that day except to be driving back from the mountains on that day. But otherwise, very excited about this spread. Alright, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.